Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to make a digital planner on Canva. First, we have to open Canva and click on Create Design. Then, in the search bar, search for Digital Planner and select the planner whatever you want. Click on the particular template you want to make a digital planner. Then we can see the template. Right here, begin with Cover Page. You can use Canva tools to add elements and title images in the digital planner. And we can also include the text according to our needs based on the digital planner. Then we can include the images and include the graphics based on your needs. And we can also customize the text according to the digital planner. And we can change the particular element's color by click on the color option. Then select the color. Once the digital planner is ready, we can click on Share button. And like this, we can make a digital planner in Canva. Thank you.